Baking cookies with Mom. This afternoon I helped my mom bake cookies. First, we gathered all the ingredients: flour, sugar, butter, and chocolate chips. I mixed everything in a big bowl while Mom watched to make sure I didn't spill. When the dough was ready, I rolled it into little balls and placed them on the baking tray. The best part was sneaking a taste of the dough before putting it in the oven. While the cookies baked, the house smelled so yummy. After 15 minutes, they were ready, and I couldn't wait to taste them. They were warm, gooey, and perfect. I felt proud that I helped make them. Mom said I was a great little baker, and we even saved some cookies to share with Dad when he got home. Baking with Mom was so much fun, and I learned how to follow a recipe step by step.